Ever wonder what powers the AI features on your smartphone? The secret lies in a specialized component called the NPU, or Neural Processing Unit, the true silicon brain of modern mobile computing. Running advanced AI models on a phone presents a real challenge. Traditional chips drain battery life quickly, and relying on cloud servers can compromise user privacy. We needed a better, more efficient hardware solution. Enter the Neural Processing Unit. This chip is specifically designed to accelerate artificial intelligence by mimicking the architecture of the human nervous system, allowing it to execute complex deep learning tasks locally on your device. Modern smartphones use a system-on-chip that functions like a specialized team. The CPU manages general tasks, the GPU acts as the artist for graphics, and the NPU serves as the AI specialist, dedicated to complex matrix operations. While CPUs offer high versatility and GPUs excel at parallel tasks, NPUs are built for one purpose: maximum energy efficiency when performing the matrix-heavy calculations required for modern AI. Inside the NPU, you will find multiply accumulate, or MAC arrays. These circuits are engineered to calculate massive matrices almost instantly, enabling the chip to process thousands of operations in a single cycle. To stay efficient, the NPU uses low-precision arithmetic. By simplifying mathematical complexity from standard 32-bit floats to more streamlined formats like INT8 or INT4, the NPU performs necessary calculations while significantly saving battery life. The biggest enemy of energy efficiency is moving data. Accessing DRAM memory uses thousands of times more energy than simple addition. To remain efficient, the NPU is designed to keep data as close to the computation as possible. This data flow architecture is the NPU's secret sauce. By maximizing fast, on-chip SRAM access and minimizing slow trips to DRAM, the NPU drastically reduces total power consumption, making complex AI possible on the go. Beyond raw speed, the NPU works with the camera's image signal processor to enable computational photography. It detects faces, removes noise, and enhances colors in real time, all before you even press the shutter. This technology also powers real-time audio and video features. From generating live captions to blurring your background during video calls, the NPU handles these heavy streams while keeping your phone cool and responsive. Perhaps most importantly, the NPU acts as a privacy shield. By processing sensitive data, like your face, voice, and text, directly on the device, your personal information never needs to be transmitted to the cloud. To make all this work, software frameworks bridge the gap between applications and the hardware. Developers use tools like Apple's Core ML or Android's NNAPI to ensure their AI models run seamlessly on the NPU. The current market is full of innovation. From Apple's integrated neural engine to Qualcomm's Hexagon and MediaTek's APU, every major manufacturer is leaning into specialized hardware to boost performance and efficiency. The NPU is fundamentally transforming the smartphone. By providing the power, privacy, and speed needed for advanced intelligence, on-device AI is defining the new standard for the future of mobile computing.